Hello, this is Tim, and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the new Milwaukee power screed I have just bought. I'll go over some of the pros and reasons I bought it, and then one huge negative about buying it. So, typical standard box. I think Milwaukee always does a really nice job of packing their tools. Oh my gosh, the batteries are huge. Let's open this up. This is the CP203. This that I bought off the Home Depot website came with 2 batteries. They take about 45 minutes to an hour to load. So I'm going to start on this right away. It's a little disappointing because although the tool arrived, and off the Home Depot website you can get a free tool as well, and I'll show that to you as well. But this is probably 5-6 pounds easy. So pretty heavy, but substantial. It's, you know, Milwaukee does a good job with their tools. Feels very solid. Super happy with that. And keep going in here. Holy cow, this thing is huge. I haven't found any information on whether or not you can keep it in your car, in my work truck outside. I live in Seattle, so curious to know if this can be just left in 24/7 or if it should be covered up. So I've got a question into the website, and I'm hoping to hear back on that. Okay, looks like this. Holy cow. With the battery, it weighs a total of 37 pounds. Again, well wrapped. Plastic all over the place. And how they did this. Nice finish on items. I always wonder why companies don't use a grade 8 bolt instead of just 3s or 5s. It just seems to make sense to go with a grade 8. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are grade 6s. Probably plenty strong enough. But there she is. Pretty easy. It looks like assembly is now complete. Done. That's it. Pretty cool machine. Can't wait to put it to use. Looks like that. This is adjustable for height, which is good because I'm 6'3" and my guys are all under 6 foot, so we can adjust that pretty quick and easy. Looks like the battery will just slide right in there. Pretty self-explanatory. Click that in place. One of the reasons I got it was the ability to control the throttle quickly and easily. This seems like a piece of cake. There is the power buttons right here. There's a tool storage as well for the 9/16 wrench to be able to undo the bar. So that's nice. We'll use that for sure. Which is coming up to the one reason that I don't recommend buying this through the Home Depot website was I ordered this with the 12 and the 10 bar, and this arrived overnight. I ordered it yesterday about 4 p.m. and it showed up this afternoon right around 12 o'clock. Amazing delivery. I also, off the Home Depot website, have you can choose between 3 tools, and I picked up the 9-inch saw which I think will be great for my concrete work where we do a lot of retaining walls and cutting wall caps. It'll be a lot easier than the 14-inch Husky, so that'll be kind of fun to have. But I also ordered the 10-foot and the 12-foot bar, thinking they would arrive today as well, and not until I ordered it did it say that the bars are 2 weeks delayed. So today is April 7th, and I've got concrete pours every day next week and the week following, and I won't get it till almost the end of the month. So this is just going to sit in my garage until the bars arrive. But that's pretty disappointing. Another item in the box is the charger. 45 minutes to charge the battery. One of the neat things is it came with a 2-year warranty on the batteries, the charger, and the unit itself. So I figured you just can't go wrong with a 2-year warranty. We pour 3 times a week, mostly all residential work. So we do a lot of driveways and patios. So I think this will be a great combination. We're a pretty small business, just 2 or 3 of us on pours. And so having the option to save our backs a little bit as we get older with a power Screed should be really exciting. So, but that's the charger right there, pretty substantial, heavyweight. And then I will do a first time ever review once my bars show up. But until then, I just have this piece of equipment sitting in my garage waiting 2 weeks for the delivery. So that's really frustrating. But it feels like a solid bit of kit. I couldn't be happier with red and black, which is always my favorite color for tools. And I just think that this is going to be a great addition to the business. They say 37 pounds with the battery, and it feels pretty well balanced. I'm just lifting up the center handle, and it doesn't seem to flop one way or the other. I've got the battery on there. So that seems, I don't know what a gas one weighs, but this seems to be pretty well balanced. You know, Milwaukee does a good job of their tools. I haven't seen very many reviews on this yet, so I am kind of excited to do that part and give my first impressions of using the tool. And then they have a concrete roto hammer, and then 9-inch saw, which is what I got. And then one other tool, I can't remember what it is, but it brought the price down like $1,800, and this was a $900 saw. So for $2,400 to get 2 pretty impressive pieces of equipment that I know is going to help quite a bit. The 14-inch Husky is just a beast of a saw, and I love that thing for when we're cutting big heavy duty. But most of our work with cutting is retaining wall caps and things like that. So I think that this will be a neat addition without having to lug around and get that gas thing going and breathe in the fumes. So I'm really excited about the opportunity to use this. So let's take a look. I went back and forth between this and the roto hammer. I think the roto hammer was like $700 and this was $900 tool. And I think that this would just be a little bit better fit. I have a pretty heavy duty roto hammer because we put a lot of rebar and foundations and stuff into walls and stuff. So I kind of like the one that I have right now. Okay, so this is the cutoff saw, which I did upside down. I don't know how. Oh, I just love red and black, my favorite colors. But there's that. Pretty nice. The size, all the tools are right on board too, which I love. There's a nice, strong, secure water outlet. And then it came with hose connector. Wow, that is really light. And it also came with a blade for rebar, but I'll have to buy a concrete blade, so we'll give that a shot. And then also 2 batteries, which are, if you haven't tried the battery table saw, that's fantastic. I love it, and it looks like these would be, yeah, these are 12s, so that'll work with the table saw as well. Fantastic, good. So 2 batteries, the saw, and the Vibrascreed for 2,400 bucks. That was a pretty easy decision. The bars are a little expensive. I think it was 800 and 600 for a 10 and a 12 or something right around those lines. So, but I will put this saw to work right away, and then I have to wait 2 weeks to use this because Home Depot doesn't deliver the bars. It's not coming out of the same plant. So, all right, so that's an unboxing. Lots of cool stuff here. Can't wait to put it to work. Any questions, just type it down below and I'll answer. Thanks.